In this video, we are unboxing and replacing the fuel pump for the Honda Civic EK. The fuel pump with filter. The instruction manual. This vehicle wouldn't start. After diagnostics, we found the fuel pump had failed. Now let's proceed with the fuel pump replacement. The following are the tools used for replacing the fuel pump. Medium electric impact wrench. Medium Torx bit socket. Medium 8mm long socket. Medium 10mm long socket. Medium extension bar. Small flathead screwdriver. Hose clamp pliers. Air nozzle. Towel. Before replacing the fuel pump, we need to remove the rear seat cushion. In the gap between the seat cushion and seat back, locate the seat retaining bolt. Pull back the trim to access the retaining bolt. Using the medium 8mm long socket, medium extension bar, and medium electric impact wrench, remove the seat retaining bolt. Push the seat forward, then lift it up. Remove the seatbelt buckle. Remove the seat cushion. Using the medium Torx bit socket, with the medium electric impact wrench, remove the fuel pump access cover retaining bolts. Remove the access cover. Using the air nozzle, clean any dust and debris around the fuel tank and fuel pump. Remove the rubber boot. Unplug the fuel pump electrical connector. Using the hose clamp pliers, release the clamp on the return hose. Remove the return hose. Press the tabs on both sides of the fuel line. And pull the line outward. Remove the fuel line. Using the air nozzle, clean up any fuel that may have spilled. Before removing, make sure there's no fuel, dust, or debris around the fuel pump assembly. Using the medium 10mm long socket with the medium electric impact wrench, remove the fuel pump retaining nuts. Lift the fuel pump assembly upward and out. Use a towel to catch any drips. Remove the fuel pump. Here is the comparison of old versus new fuel pump. Before installing the new fuel pump, transfer the fuel line retaining clips from the old pump to the new one. Remove the protective cover. Using the small flathead screwdriver, remove the retaining clips. Install the new fuel pump. Place the pump into the tank. Install the retaining nuts. Using the medium 10mm long socket with the medium electric impact wrench, tighten the fuel pump retaining nuts in a crisscross pattern. Install the fuel feed line. Install the return line. Using the hose clamp pliers, secure the clamp back. Plug in the electrical connector. Reinstall the rubber boot. Reinstall the access cover. Install the retaining bolts. Using the medium Torx bit socket with the medium electric impact wrench, tighten the access cover retaining bolts. Install the seat cushion. Route the seatbelt buckle through the opening. Align the mounting holes and install the seat cushion. Need to push it inward. Then press it down. Install the seat retaining bolt. Using the medium 8mm long socket, medium extension bar, and medium electric impact wrench, tighten the seat retaining bolt. Now the issue has been resolved.